Stay-at-home moms' jobs, the overlooked home economy role that quietly outsmarts 9-to-5 careers. The coffee had gone cold again, another morning balancing the noise of the house, and the quiet question she kept avoiding. Can I really build something of my own? She stood at the kitchen counter, laptop open between breakfast dishes and permission slips, wondering if wanting more made her ungrateful for what she already had. She wasn't chasing millions, just freedom. The kind that fits between nap times and school pickups. A client wrote to say the invitation she'd designed had made her daughter cry happy tears. That it wasn't just a piece of paper, it was the feeling of being seen, celebrated, remembered. That's when she understood. Her work wasn't small, it was intimate, and intimacy scales differently than corporate growth, but it scales just as powerfully. None of it looked like a traditional job description. All of it looked like freedom. And the income. It wasn't replacing a six-figure salary. But it was covering groceries, contributing to savings, funding small joys without guilt. It was proof that her time had monetary value, even when it unfolded in 20-minute increments between carpool and cooking. What surprised her most wasn't the money. It was the identity shift. She wasn't just someone's mom anymore. She was also someone's designer, someone's writer, someone's business partner. She was both, and for the first time, that felt like enough. The criticism still came, of course. The comments from relatives who didn't understand why she was working if she didn't have to. The side-eye from other parents who thought she was just trying to be busy. But she'd stopped explaining herself. Because the people who understood didn't need an explanation, and the people who didn't wouldn't accept one anyway. What helped her the most wasn't just finding the right tools. It was realizing she didn't need permission to start small. She tested a few resources before finding what truly worked, and honestly, it changed everything. A simple project management app to track her client work, a scheduling tool that let clients book her time without the back and forth, a beginner's course on pricing that taught her to charge what she was worth, not what she was comfortable asking. Tell us which country or city you're watching from. See you in the next video. Bye.